Mom Jovi, happy Teacher's Day!
But you came alone and you changed everything. You lift my feet up the ground and spin me around. You make me crazier, crazier. Feels like I'm falling in love, lost in your eyes. You make me crazier, crazier. You got every right to a beautiful life. Come on, who says you're not perfect? Who says you're not worth it? Who says you're the only one that's heard it?
Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the word means, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do thanks to you.
Happy Teacher's Day for teaching. Mag-ingat po kayo dyan. Bye-bye. Happy Teacher's Day, Miss Cruz. Salamat po sa walang sawang pagtuturo po sa amin. God bless po. Thank you for helping me grow. Happy Teacher's Day. Hi teacher, happy Teacher's Day. Thank you for your endless effort on trying to teach us. We owe you a lot. Hi teacher, happy Teacher's Day po. I love you.
Hello, Teacher Jovi. Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you for everything you've done for us and thank you for being patient. And sana po enjoy niyo po yung araw na ito. Love, Paul.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Jovi. Stay strong and healthy. I appreciate the teaching that you gave to us. Thank you for being a good teacher to us. We love you. Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Jovi. Salamat po sa pagtuturo niyo po sa amin. I love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Jovi. Thank you po sa pagtuturo niyo sa amin. God bless you po and we love you. Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Cruz. Salamat po sa mahabang pasensya at pagtuturo sa akin kahit makulit po ako. Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Jovi. Wish ko lang po sa inyo good health lang po palagi. Ma'am Jovi, Happy Teacher's Day po. Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Jovi. Thank you for teaching us. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Jovi. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Jovi. Thank you for teaching us. We love you.
Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Jovi. Thank you po sa pag-aalaga at pagtuturo po.
Thanks to you.
Teacher's Day po, teacher. I love you po. Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Jovi. Happy Teacher's Day po, teacher. I love you po.
I close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no
Hi,
one's
Mare.
been before.
Pare, tapos teacher. Happy Teacher's Day. Special ang Teacher's Day ngayong taon because yung aking pong anak ay estudyante mo. Pero sabi mo nga, walang kumakumare. Love you!
I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design.
Hello po, Teacher Joby. Happy Teacher's Day po. Thank you po sa pagtuturo niyo po sa amin kahit po kayo ay may sakit. Ginagawa niyo po ang lahat para po kami ay matuto. God bless po uli. Salamat po. Happy Teacher's Day po uli. Bye-bye. Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Joby. Love you po. Hello po, Teacher Joby. Happy Teacher's Day po. Love you po.
Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Joby. I love you po.
Teacher, Happy Teacher's Day po. Salamat po sa iyong pagtuturo. Kahit po kami magpupulin, I love you po, Teacher. Happy Teacher's Day po, Teacher. I love you po. Mrs. Joby, Happy Teacher's Day po.
Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Joby. Thank you po sa pagtuturo sa amin ng mabuti. At saka po mabait ka po sa amin. Sana po patawarin mo po kami sa aming mga ginawa. At pangako po namin na hindi na po kami magiging makulit-ulit. Tamahalin ka po namin ng sobra at tatandaan ka po namin pagkalaki.
Happy Teacher's Day po. Thank you po sa pagtulong po sa amin at sa araw-araw sa pagyakap at paghalik po sa amin. I appreciate po. Happy Teacher's Day po. Teacher Joby, maraming pong salamat po sa mga itinuturo niyo pong magagandang aralin. At Happy Teacher's Day din po ngayon po, Teacher Joby. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Joby. Thank you for the guidance, patience, and for teaching us.
Dreams are keeping me awake.
Ay ma'am, anong pagkain natin? Joe, Happy Teacher's Day.
Happy Teacher's Day. Love you, Ma'am.
Oh, a million dreams for the world.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Pretty. Love you, Mama.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Joby. Pengi pong chocolate.
Dreams with me. You may be
Magandang
right.
araw sa
You
inyong lahat.
may be wrong.
Sa aking naging kasamang guro, sa aking naging kumare, sa aking kaibigan, at naging mentor ng Maginaw Elementary School, Ma'am Joby and Cruz, ako ay bumabati sa iyo ng Happy Teacher's Day, ang maligayang araw ng mga guro. Sa kalipas ng mga panahon, sa dami ng iyong napagdaanan, sa dami ng iyong mga naging eskwela, lahat sila ay naging professional. Lahat sila ay magagaling. Ang Ma'am Joby Cruz ay magaling sa lahat ng aspeto. Talagang maipapakita na isa siya sa pinakamagaling na guro ng Maginaw Elementary School. Magaling pagdating sa seminar, lalo na sa contest, gayon din sa pagiging mentor. Marunong siya magbahagi ng kanyang mga kaalaman, lalo na kung iyong kailangan. Talagang makakahingi ka ng tulong sa kanya pagdating sa mga gawain na ito. Sa aking kumare, patuloy kitang ipapanalangin, bibigyan ka ni Lord ng mahabang buhay, ilayo sa anumang karamdaman, at bigyan ng karunungan ng Panginoon na patuloy mong maibahagi ang iyong kaalaman sa mga bata sa bagong henerasyon. Sa mga magulang na iyong nagiging kasama, patuloy naging maligaya ang inyong pagsasama, ang respeto, pag-ibig, ay laging manaig sa iyong puso. Muli, sa aking kumare, kaibigan, naging mentor, at naging kasamang guro, Ma'am Joby M. Cruz, Happy Teacher's Day. God bless.
In the quiet hours of earth.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Jovi, and thank you so much po for all the guidance, patience, and encouragement you've shared with me for the past 2 weeks. And even in such a short time, I've learned a lot from you, not just about teaching, but also dedication and love for our students. And I really admire your kindness, the way you handle challenges, and passion you show every day. I feel so blessed to have you as my mentor, and I'll always carry your lessons with me as I grow in my journey as a future teacher. Love you, Mom, and once again, Happy Teacher's Day. Sincerely from Teacher's Wendy.
Every note and every line says I'm yours and you're forever mine. Simple tune from heart.
Hello po, Ma'am Joby. Happy Teacher's Day po. Thank you po dahil naging teacher ko kayo ng grade 3 at ngayon po ay co-teacher ko na po kayo ngayon sa Molino Elementary School. Good health po and more power in teaching. God bless po.
Under skies brushed with a soft blue hue, I see a reflection.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Joby. I hope you will enjoy your celebration with BPSSCS learners and parents. God bless you always and continue to become an efficient and effective teacher and mentor in our workplace. Love you, Ma'am. God bless.
I write our story in gentle tones, a little song that's purely our
Hello po, Ma'am Joby. Happy Teacher's Day po. Ma'am Joby used to be my grade 5 teacher when I was in elementary, dito sa Maguinao Elementary School. So, ever since magkakilala na po kami. So, before, I am her student. Ngayon, we are co-teachers na. So, Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Joby. God bless you.
Good day, Ma'am Joby. Maraming salamat po sa inyong buhay. Isa po kayo sa nagsisilbing inspirasyon ng inyong mga mag-aaral at ng ating sintang paaralan. Patuloy po kayong gabayan ng ating Panginoong may kapal. Bigyan kayo ng mga biyaya at bigyan pa po kayo ng kalakasan. Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Joby. God bless you.
Hello, Ninang Ma'am Joby. Happy Teacher's Day po. Nawa, patuloy ka pa pong pagpalain at bigyan ng lakas upang makapagpupug pa ng mas maraming kabataan. Maligayang araw ng mga guro po at maraming salamat. I love you. See you later.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Joby. How old are you? We love you.
Mama Chuchu.
song, pure and light, echoing softly into the night.
Happy Teacher's Day po, Teacher Joby Cruz. God bless you always po at ingat po kayo. Happy Teacher's Day.
Happy Teacher's Day, Mommy. We love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Mommy.
Thank you for being an amazing teacher that you are. We love you.
We love you.
Thanks for watching. God bless.